Experience your future at Saginaw Career Complex. Welding is literally one of the hottest careers in the world today. This high-skill, high-demand career choice offers variety, excitement, opportunity, and income. Everywhere there's piping, heating, cooling, and air conditioning, there's a need for highly trained welding professionals. In the Welding Technology program, you will partner with Plumbers and Steamfitters Local 85, which means you are working side by side with professional welders in the classroom and on-site at the Local 85 Training Center.
Just for instance, 2 minutes ago I was watching one of the business professionals teach one of the apprentices on laying out the pipe designs and things like that, and that's all experiences that you can't get anywhere else, so you know what you're learning is valid information and it's coming from true professionals.
You'll begin with welding safety and fundamentals and advance to gas metal arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, structural welding, TIG arc welding, and much more. Earn state and nationally recognized welding certifications along with college credit at Delta College and Ferris State University.
Actually, the career day was a really cool experience because it showed me what I need to do and how I need to do it in order to get the job that I want.
You may even earn while you learn as a welding technology apprentice. And thanks to a history of regional and state champions, students in this program get fired up about Skills USA, a national student organization offering a variety of welding and leadership competitions.
It's a statewide competition that can go national, and you talk to any employers or any schools, everybody knows what Skills is. So if you can win Skills, people know who you are. I took first place in regionals as well as states.
Earn scholarships, industry-related tools and equipment, even job opportunities. Experience your future in welding technology, one of the hottest careers available in the job market today at SCC.